Michelle Gumabao has been delivering for LaSalle here, along with the old reliables, Cha Cruz, Esperanza, Abigail Mataño, and of course, the young
rookies, Reyes and Gumabao.
And the Galang.
That's Galang, Victonara Galang.
The service zone for De La Salle.
Speaking of
10,
Victonara Galang or Ara Galang, she's getting ready to serve, and this is one of the most dreaded serves.
Situation, yes, rotation
Para
of
sa UE.
the Lady Warriors.
But this time they pick it up well. Set up a running hit. Tough setup jump para kay Mary Grace Masangkay that time. Here's Cha Cruz. Shisa Nebrida. Gumabao. And again, with that same play, in that same place, same result.
Going for an off-speed. Well, ayan na naman. Of course, well, the iron is hot yan. Dahil hindi pa nakaka-adjust itong supporters ng UE behind the block. Kanina pa yan. Still no remedy on the side of the Lady Warriors. Chance now for the Lady Spikers.
That's how D-Zone likes to set. That she gets.
Close to the net as she goes down the line.
Kitang-kita mo yung confidence ng approach niya, no?
Right. At medyo nahuli ng konti ang blockers ng DLSU. That's why D-Zone had that space to go down the line.
LaSalle still within reach here. They're just up by 2. Make that 3 points on that over receive by Mulan of UE.
Again, Gumabao going for the power tip.
Just the advantage of being tall.
For De La Salle.
And the perks you get at the net, ano?
Yun na, katulad si Mika Reyes. So far, we haven't seen her except for that isang quick hit kanina. Hindi naman siya very powerful spiker yet because she's very young. But because she's long legs and with the jump, hindi siya masyado nagkakamali. Enough na bibigay niya pa rin yung bola across.
Time out ngayon tayo dito. Let's listen to Coach Ramil.
Kahit anong gawin pa ng offense na kaya maabot na nakapwesto. Ito na ganun, nasabay mo sa isip mo yan. Nagkakaroon ng space. Tapos sabunin mo palagi yung blocker mo. Ang people eh. Hindi ka sasabayan ng blocker mo lang sa timing. Hindi yan din. Nantayin mo. Pagka-open, hindi na yan. Lalo lang kung mataas mo, nakita mo people, nakatas na kalod yan. Hindi pa mo agad.
Just tips for the young rookie, you know, Mika Reyes, about how she can be a decoy and how she has to approach the net.
And how to be an effective blocker. Kasi I think for a long time, siyang magiging center blocker nila for DLSU. Yung center blocker, importante yan. Kasi lahat ng movement niyan, dyan sumasabay yung nasa left tsaka yung nasa right.
That was short, and Nebrida get that over the net. Now, LaSalle with a 5-point lead, their biggest lead of this set, 20-15.
Gumabao.
Nice floater for Gumabao.
No other choice but a back row hit para sa UE, pero Gumabao apologized to the bench.
16.
Oh, well, I think she did not expect that from Bulan. She was really way at the back. What a powerful
She was
hitter.
so far down, in the back na parang serve na eh.
Oy, halos ka na talaga serve.
Good reception.
This is what I'm talking about. Madalas mistime pa yung mga bola niya, but because of her physical attributes, talagang papasok pa rin.
Solid denied.
Pa rin niya yung bola and then she'll get it across.
Couple of substitutions now by De La Salle. Tan and Garbin check in for Esperanza and Gumabao.
Mika Reyes serving for De La Salle.
Getting some more experience under the belt for some of the young girls, Lady Spikers. 21-16. Set number 3 makes that 22-16. For his ace.
Or first ball, or Bulan. And then dito sa game na to, Eric, baliktad ang nangyayari. UE had a lot of service errors, while on the other side, it's LaSalle with a lot of aces in this game. Naku, mukhang nag-i-improve na ang service ng de LaSalle. Correa still on the line for DLSU.
Rita getting it over with the left hand. Reball UE.
Oh, that's going to be overset.
Maraño at all in the net. She knows what to do with that.
But she has a better position on taking that ball. Nakita niya na sundalin eh. Nakaharap na siya dun sa empty lot parking space ng UE.
Oh, putting everything on that and then some. It's Kite Rosales with a point for UE. But it's going to be a very tough uphill climb for them dito sa set number 3 as they are down by 6 currently. 17 serving 23. Maraño naghahanap na naman ng butas. For the first time, that tip by Masangkay going over the net. Free ball, LaSalle. They go to Cha Cruz. Cha going diagonal.
Too much angle and too much power behind that hit, so it went wide for Cha Cruz.
Service.
LaSalle leaving some openings for UE here. If they're not careful, UE's going to get in closer and too close for comfort maybe. Dito sa set number 3.
Tan scores her first point.
But that, the new insertion by Coach De Jesus contributes and puts LaSalle at match point 24-18.
Lady Spikers at match point. Cha Cruz serving.
Oh, putting everything on that, but it wasn't good enough for Salina Faithfulan as they drop the third and straight set to LaSalle here, 25-18.
That's right, totally denied was Bulan on that last play.
We'll take a quick break and come back to wrap this up right after these.